Good afternoon, everyone. It's 1:10 now, nearly 1:10, and we're near the Capel area in northern Wales. And I'm standing by the lake with the Welsh name. As you can see behind me, you can capture outstanding views behind me. You can see it's cloudy on top of the mountains, so we have a beautiful range of mountain. It's kind of cascaded, so it's one after the other. You can see the layers, and then eventually at the other end it just goes up and you get to see the other mountain, which is covered by clouds. This one in particular, because I'm very close to this mountain, the only thing is just stopping me to go across. It's a very beautiful calm lake, as you can see, and if you do decide to go across the lake and get into this beautiful range of forest, as you can see, with very tall trees, so it's a very lovely view. It's very, you can feel that sense of vibes, plenty of vibes around you, and you can also sense that you're in a very a genuine autumn season, and it's absolutely beautiful. And here, just standing here, I can hear the chirping of the birds, and it's so quiet and calm, and all around me is just a range of mountain. Even if I just look forward, I can see there are big high rocks here, but it's not as tall as compared to the mountains behind me. So, and if I look towards my east side, I get a good view of mountains there. West, lovely mountain, and then going behind myself, I can see this beautiful mountain. I'm not quite sure what the name of the mountain